My dad started this poultry operation in 1983, and so I grew up around poultry my whole life. My name's Tim Nilsen. We're at Nilsen Farms. Farming has just always been an attractive lifestyle for me. We get birds day old from the hatchery, and when they're in the brooder barns, when they're babies, it's important to get those birds off to a good start. The first 7 days is very critical on how your flock is going to perform. The things that we concentrate on when we're raising a turkey is minimizing the stress. We have fully enclosed barns where we're able to control the environment 100%. We're able to keep the humidity low, the temperature optimum at all times, and that allows the birds to grow.
Our birds are down on fresh litter. They roam around just like they would on the range, but they're inside of a house. And when they're exposed to the elements, they can get a disease. And if they're out in the rain, the bad weather, so on and so forth, it's not as healthy as an environment as our birds that are totally closed.
With the way the economy is, we're always looking at ways to improve on our efficiency. So this here is our array of solar panels, which we leased out to a company that produces about 1 megawatt of power. And this is our buffer between our poultry operation and the surrounding community. So it's a perfect utilization of what was just a wasted piece of property before that we could do nothing with. A dry heat out here in the summertime, we get up in the triple digits. So this is a tunnel ventilation type of system. We're fully enclosed, meaning our sidewalls are 100% insulated, and we're able to monitor our temperature and humidity conditions a lot easier this way. So as you can see, we have fans, exhaust fans here, which will be sucking the air in from one end of the house and tunnel ventilating through the house to create a wind chill over the birds, and then exhaust out this end. With this type of system, we're able to manage the litter conditions to a T. Before, with conventional type of system, we had to use foggers that would really wet the floor, and it creates odors and ammonia, and it's just an unsanitary condition for the birds. Whereas with this type of system, the litter is dry, it's fresh. As you can smell, there's no odors, there's no flies. We have absolutely zero breed source for any kind of flies or bacteria, and it keeps the birds a lot healthier and cleaner in the long run. Back on the wall, we have a computer which runs our ventilation system. It monitors things such as temperature and humidity, and as it gets hotter outside, it actually throws more exhaust fans on, creating more of a static pressure inside the barn, which tunnel ventilates and creates a wind chill over these birds to keep them cool. Our birds are raised on rice hulls as bedding, the husbandry on the floor, and once a year we go through and clean out those barns, and that litter is taken out to a compost facility which is right behind our poultry operation.
It's a whole nother market for us. It's another profit center. Where it used to be a detriment to us, it cost us money, and it was a biosecure risk. Now we have complete control of it, and we're making a real quality compost that's just working fantastic.
Rice farmers use, tomato guys, walnut orchards. There's even companies that will buy it in bulk and then bag it up and sell it at your local hardware stores and home improvement centers. One thing that I would like to reassure to the general consumer is there's no hormones, there are no steroids used in the raising of these birds. It's 100% natural, and at the end of the day, I want the general public to feel good about what they're eating. I want them to feel good about a turkey that comes from our farm, because I feel good about the way we raise it.